All right, let's skip the fluff. People don't get rich because they're missing one thing: leverage. And leverage comes from understanding money, not from working hard. So here's the real playbook, the one nobody teaches, broken down step by step. Most people live in financial defense mode. They earn a little, spend a little more, rely on hope, and call that a plan. That's why they stay stuck. Wealthy people flip it. They start with the end goal, reverse engineer the numbers, and make money decisions based on math, not emotion. They build systems that keep earning even when they're not working. Step 1. Control your cash flow. If you don't know how much is coming in, how much is going out, and what's left, you can't play the game. Money behaves like water. It leaks. Track everything. Cut the dumb stuff. Deploy the difference. The goal isn't to save for comfort. The goal is to build capital for offense. Next, build a skill set that lets you charge more than the average person. Most people plateau because they're replaceable. Wealthy people invest in skills that multiply their time: communication, sales, problem solving, management, and understanding how businesses actually work. The market pays for value, not effort. Then convert skills into income streams. One income stream is unstable. You need at least three: your job or business, something scalable online, and something that compounds automatically. Don't chase 20 opportunities. You only need 3 that work consistently. If you can do that, you'll never worry about a single point of failure again. Now let's talk about debt. Broke people use debt to fund lifestyle. Wealthy people use debt to acquire productive assets. If it doesn't generate cash flow or increase earnings, it's a liability. If it does, it's a tool. Leverage accelerates wealth only when paired with discipline and a long-term plan. After that, the next principle is simple: save aggressively, invest intelligently. Saving won't make you rich, but it gives you the ammunition to invest. Investing multiplies what you've saved. And compounding is slow at first, painfully slow, until it suddenly isn't. Most people quit right before it takes off. Then there's attention, the new currency. In today's world, he who commands attention controls income. Build an online presence around the skills you already have. Share value, post consistently, create a brand that attracts opportunities so you don't chase them. Attention is leverage. You put in 1 unit of effort and thousands of people hear it. Now let's address the mindset problem. Broke people ask, how much does it cost? Wealthy people ask, what is the ROI? They look at decisions through a lens of return, not price. They take accountability for everything: income, skills, habits, environment. No blaming, no excuses. Everything is a choice, and every choice has a compound effect. Next, build systems. Systems remove you from the day-to-day grind and let money operate independently. Automate saving, automate investing, automate content distribution, automate parts of your work. The goal is simple: make your default actions wealth building, not wealth leaking. Wealth isn't built by intensity, it's built by consistency. You don't need perfect decisions, you need repeated good ones. The person who invests $500 every month beats the person who waits to invest $10,000 perfectly. The person who builds one piece of content daily beats the person who waits for the perfect video idea. Then there's the environment. You cannot outgrow a weak environment. If everyone around you spends money, complains, or thinks small, you will too. Surround yourself with people who talk about goals, systems, and execution. Your environment is a preview of your future. Finally, long-term perspective. Wealthy people think in decades, not days. They make moves today that pay off 5 years from now. They don't trade long-term wealth for short-term pleasure. They don't chase quick wins. They build engines. Engines last. So here's the entire strategy in one sentence: control your money, increase your skills, multiply your income, use debt strategically, invest consistently, build attention, automate everything, and think long-term. Do this for 3 years, and your life won't look anything like it does today. Do it for 10, and you'll be unrecognizable.